In solution-focused therapy, the words we choose shape the direction of change. That's why one of the most powerful shifts we make is moving from problem talk to solution talk. Problem talk is about what's wrong. It's necessary, but it can also keep people stuck in the past. Solution talk is about what's possible. It opens the future. It activates strengths. It moves the conversation forward. Here's the difference. Problem talk asks, why are things so bad? Solution talk asks, what would things look like if they were even a little better? Problem talk asks, when did this start? Solution talk asks, when have you handled this well before? It's not that we avoid the problem. We just don't get trapped inside it. SFT therapists listen for small shifts, moments when the client talks about effort, values, or exceptions. We amplify those moments. We turn the volume up on success. For example, a client says, I always mess things up. We might ask, always? Were there moments when things went better? Or what helps you do your best even occasionally? This isn't minimizing pain. It's maximizing. Problem talk is like staring into a tunnel. Solution talk is like turning around and seeing the exit. The questions we ask signal what we believe. When we ask about strengths, we show that we believe the client has them. When we ask about next steps, we show we believe change is possible. And language matters, because the words clients use start to shape the way they see themselves. From victim to survivor, from broken to rebuilding, from overwhelmed to taking one step at a time. So we stay intentional. We track what's working, we reflect moments of growth, and we guide the conversation toward what's next. In SFT, the goal is not to solve the entire problem. It's to find the next right question, the one that shifts the story. Because language isn't just descriptive, it's generative. And when we change the conversation, we change the possibilities.